Math is the only place.
Where truth and beauty mean the same thing.
Life is like a math.
If it goes too easy, something is wrong.
Mathematics is the science of patterns.
And nature explodes just about every pattern that there is.
Solve math in easy way, the things that we are dreaming. Study hard to excel, solve problem as we can.
Inverse or do the direct, proportions, mathematics, learning some easy trick. We call Chumbas magic.
Multiply, divide, add or add, subtract, square root, square both sides. Now it's simplest form, baby.
Hey, operations might make us crazy, but loving numbers make it easy.
It's hard to subtract without a secret, but there's the answer. Review it, baby.
You don't know where you should start, but you know how to count. I tell you how to be smart. Read books and study hard. Place value, 1 cent and rep. Convert the measurement. Use braces, parentheses, bracket to separate. Multiply, divide, add or subtract. Square root, square both sides. Now it's simplest form, baby. Hey, operations might make us crazy, but loving numbers make it easy.
It's hard to fall right without a thinking, but here's the answer. Review it, baby.
Complex quantities, pattern of series. Learn the sequence to take it easy.
Every lesson, every day is representing by meaning, mode, region to frequency, in probability.
Cause I in the room today. So watch me solve the math and let's learn today.
Calculate, let's gain and learn all about probability. Let's all make math easier.
Na 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 na. Mean, median, and mode. Na 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 na. Mean, median, and mode.
Arrangement is important in solving the problem. Statistics, probability, oh.